that's a volcano, and it's about to blow. We've gotta go, run faster, before the floor is lava. It's when tectonic plates start to separate. The hot magma finds its way. It's coming up surface where it turns into lava. So get out the way.
Get out the way.
What now?
This area isn't safe. Didn't you hear the tectonic plates separated? Look, you see the gases and ashes escaping.
I thought it was a cloud, man.
You must be joking. It's
Sorry.
coming from the fissure because of all the pressure beneath the Earth's surface. Bubbling is a mixture made of minerals and a hot liquid, solid rocks and dissolved gases.
Well, what's it called, man?
Magma, so back up, cause when the pressure stacks up, they become active and boom, then it happens. Boom, eruption, boom, destruction, boom, boom, boom. You better run, kid.
Oh no, that's a volcano, and it's about to blow. We've gotta go, run faster, before the floor is lava. It's when tectonic plates start to separate. The hot magma finds its way. It's coming up surface where it turns into lava. So get out the way.
Cause I can see the magma turning into lava. Oh, what up a lava, a natural disaster. Run, dodge, stop, jump. Don't look back here, pay attention. 1250 degrees Celsius, thundering like an elephant. Now times are desperate. This lava's bringing the drama, hotter than a sauna. Ready to go to war and walk over me like a doormat. I can't ignore it, well I could if it was dormant, but it isn't. That it is what it is, and it is scorching.
Oh gosh, so hot. Oh gosh, it won't stop.
It'll be 10,000 years before this thing is extinct, leaving me with only one option. I gotta leave.
Whoa, hold on, let's pause for a moment. My name's Vulcan, just like the Romans. The god of fire, but I am getting tired of all this negativity, that's why I seem so wired. These liars, they treat me like a lion. In fact, I try to relax and chill like ice. Mind my business, ask the witnesses. I've been giving all these citizens soil that is rich with nutrients and vitamins to stop the cynicism. With all this criticism, I'm beginning to feel it feeling low.
Hey, calm down, dude, I didn't mean to hurt you.
Nah, it's too late now, I can feel it stirring.
Oh gosh, oh no, I think he's about to blow.
No, that's a volcano, and it's about to blow. We've gotta go, run faster, before the floor is lava. It's when tectonic plates start to separate. The hot magma finds its way. It's coming up surface where it turns into lava. So get out the way. Run, keep running. The lava's coming. I said run, keep running. The lava's coming. Cause when tectonic plates start to separate, the hot magma finds its way. It's coming up surface where it turns into lava. So get out the way. Go.
You're smoking.
Thanks very much.